Imagine that burning sensation in your chest, the sour taste in your mouth, and the constant need to reach for an antacid after every meal. Millions of people live in this state of chronic discomfort, believing they have a stomach that produces too much acid. But what if I told you that for the vast majority of people, the problem isn't too much acid, it's actually too little? We have been conditioned to suppress our stomach acid at the first sign of heartburn, but in doing so, we might be shutting down the very system designed to protect us. Today, we are looking at the biological reality of GERD and acid reflux. We are exploring why the traditional approach often fails and how you can actually heal your digestion by working with your biology, not against it. Your stomach acid is not your enemy. It is a powerful biological tool designed to break down protein and kill harmful pathogens. At the top of your stomach sits a valve called the lower esophageal sphincter, or the LES. This valve is pH-sensitive. Its primary job is to stay tightly shut when stomach acid is strong. However, when your stomach acid becomes too weak or diluted, the valve doesn't receive the signal to close. This allows even a small amount of weak acid to splash up into the esophagus, causing that familiar burn. By taking antacids, you are making the acid even weaker, which keeps the valve open and creates a cycle of chronic reflux. You aren't fixing the fire. You are just silencing the smoke alarm while the house is still burning. One of the most overlooked drivers of reflux is intra-abdominal pressure. When your digestion is sluggish due to low acid, food sits in your stomach for too long and begins to ferment. This fermentation produces gas, which builds up pressure and forces that upper valve to pop open. This is why you feel bloated and reflux heavy after a large meal. Furthermore, chronic stress plays a massive role. Your digestive system operates on the rest and digest branch of your nervous system. When you are constantly in fight or flight mode, rushing through meals or eating under stress, your body shuts down acid production. You cannot digest food properly in a state of survival, and reflux is often the first biological signal that your system is overwhelmed. To truly heal, we have to restore the natural pH of the stomach and signal safety to the nervous system. Simple, grounded habits can make a profound difference. One of the most effective tools is the use of apple cider vinegar or digestive bitters before a meal. These bitter compounds signal your stomach to increase its own natural acid production, which helps that esophageal valve snap shut. Additionally, the way you breathe during a meal matters. Taking 3 deep, diaphragmatic breaths before your first bite shifts your body into the parasympathetic state, allowing your enzymes and acids to function at peak efficiency. It's not just about what you eat, but the state your body is in while you are eating. As we move toward a solution, remember that your body has an incredible capacity for self-regulation when given the right signals. Healing your reflux is about restoring the integrity of your digestive fire. It is about moving away from temporary masks and toward a permanent biological reset. If you are ready to stop the burn and start syncing your lifestyle with your body's true needs, join our community at Soul Sync Living. Hit the subscribe button for more practical, grounded approaches to high-performance health. It is time to trust your biology and reclaim your comfort. I will see you in the next video.